everybody. So we didn't get to go fishing this weekend. We usually do fishing videos, but this week we decided to do a squirrel hunting video, and Travis got a squirrel and we're going to show you how to clean one. Hope you enjoy it. Like, share, and subscribe if you can, and I appreciate all your support. Thank you. Alright guys, we're over squirrel hunting. We can see one, but he's acting funky. We may have to go get him here in a minute. He sees us. One down. You got it?
Good.
Yep. You got one little tree rat. Alright, I'm gonna hold it. You gotta shoot this other one. Alright, so Travis got him a squirrel, and I'm just gonna show how I clean them. I'm sure there's plenty of people out there tell me other ways of doing it, but this is how we're gonna do it. I start off by cutting around the legs all the way around, and then I go from that cut to the center like that. Cut all the way around the head, because we don't eat the head. Some people do, I don't. Brains anyway, we ain't gonna do that. And cut right here, and the skin should just pull right off of it. This is a very mature squirrel. So, one important thing to remember is if you're gonna clean a squirrel in the house, make sure your wife is not home. Alright, so got it cleaned. Now we're gonna do is get all the pellets out. One pellet. You know, I think you hit it more in the head than anywhere. That was good. I mean, because I'm not finding. I found that one pellet in it. Looks like there's a couple of pass-throughs. You can see that one right there in the chest. But I don't feel any pellets in it whatsoever. Got one right here in the shoulder, but I think it with a graze. Don't feel any skeleton there. Alright, so there you go. And we actually like to, whenever I cook them, we bake them. And whenever we bake them, they pretty much just fall apart and you just pull the bones out, smother them in barbecue sauce. That would be for another day.
It'll bring it up to the water.
Or not kill all of it.
Yeah.
Alright. They do it over the sink that way. Get everywhere. It's loud. Always freeze mine like this, that way no oxygen gets to it. So we need 2 more of those and we can have squirrel for dinner.
Yep.
Look at that.